Handy Hannah
what does it say?
hair dryer.
Handy Hannah. Okay.
Oh, Hannah.
So we have this really cool hair dryer from, I would say, the 30s based on the style. You don't see these very often. I was thinking that it actually came off the stand, but it doesn't look like it does. It's got an option for on and off and for hot and cold right here. And it does not. It's on here. So I guess to dry your hair, you would just turn it on. And so you want it hot or cold? Because it's blowing right at you.
Oh, wait. It actually turns on?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. I don't... Hot?
You got a little lipstick on your chin. Right there. Okay. Let's turn it on hot. Okay, and then I'm gonna let you turn it on. But, you know, be prepared. I don't know. Oh. That's nice.
What'd you think it was gonna do?
Well, you know, the one, like we use that one bonnet one, and it's really, really loud, and so I was thinking that it was going to be really loud and obtrusive, but wow, that's nice.
Timid.
Yeah. Would that dry your hair?
Probably take a while.
Yeah, it doesn't have a ton of blowing power, but wow, it's quiet. It's pretty. I love the color.
Definitely keeps me warm.
That's good. Okay, how about, let's hold it like right at the thing, like right, we'll go right at you this way and blow your hair back. Let's see, holding it, you see it, and so if you had your face a little over this way, does it blow your hair even? I was thinking it would like blow your hair, but it's not.
I mean, it does a little bit over here.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it doesn't have a dramatic effect, but still really cool.
Nothing. Okay.
Is it warmer?
No, it's cold.
Cold. So it's on. Oh no, there's a cold option, hot option.
Yeah, that's better.
Better.
Smells weird, but
Probably just the dust burning. Probably hasn't been used in forever.
smells like burning hair a little bit.
Oh, lovely.
Wanna smell it?
Nice. Love it. Okay. Well, it works. It would blow dry your hair, you know, very slowly. Not a ton of power, but also very cute. Should we show it? A little bit. Show it. Cute. Other side. Cute. I don't know. Is there a date on it? No. Just a label. It does not have any switches. So look at that old cord.
Oil.
Oh my goodness.
You put
It's
oil
like-
in here.
Oil? Oh wow. There's a thing that says oil. We add oil and extremely old plug and cloth cord.
Let's see if this baby works.
It works. Hopefully, yeah. The cord is all intact. And is it warm?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's warm. That's actually pretty warm.
Yeah, warmer than the last time.
Chrome. Very cute. That would dry your hair
Yeah, with time.
after a while. Okay. Or maybe, we'll see. Does it blow? Does it add to it to have it on? It does, kind of. Okay. Dryer. Okay, let's get a profile of that. Of the yep. I think even closer to your face. And then you just looked at something. You looked at the camera, I think, when it was over there. Cute. Maybe take your other hand and kind of fluff it, like drying it, or... Yeah, there. Oh, that's cute. Hang on. Good. Cute. Okay. Hopefully we got that.
Yeah, you can see the coils.
Okay, then got a really old electric curling iron with the tag still. Universal curling iron. Not how cheap, but how good is the slogan of the Universal curling iron. Its even distribution of heat is a safeguard against burning the hair. Exclusive swivel plug and detachable connector prevents cord twisting. They're pretty twisted. Pretty twisted, but that's cool. You don't see that very often. To have the old label on there. It's a guaranteed even. Ooh, look at that old cord. Ooh, neat. Okay, so we're gonna see if it works. Of course the light goes out every time we plug something in. How long will it take to heat up?
And even
That's actually a good size. Like, I could maybe even use that.
Oh, it's warming. Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Yeah. We should try to do a strand.
Try.
Cause that front one we could do. Cause this is the last step we're gonna do, right? If it doesn't take 5 minutes to heat up, because I mean right now it's still you can still touch it.
You feel it vibrate.
You can! Oh, that's creepy! Oh, you can't touch the end. That was a modern upgrade to the design, is to have an end that you can grasp. That is a tiny little barrel. It would take forever to do your hair like this. I think it's hot enough. I do. I think it's gonna curl it. It's gonna be like the cutest little ringlet right for your forehead. It works. That's awesome. Cool.
Look. Boing.
Boing.